Hey everybody, it's Orange from Fluff Survival. Today I'm going to talk about victorinox huntsman multi-tool. First I wanted to say that it's really nice and good multi-tool. I carry it with me for a year and for every place that I went and go. Let's get started. The first tool is the big knife and a little knife. They are razor sharp, really good one. Okay, so the next one is the can opener. Really good can opener. I use it only once until now, but it's really good and a strong one. Next is on the can opener we have 3mm screwdriver, a 5mm screwdriver on the bottle opener, and we have a wire stripper. Okay, next we have our scissors, very good scissors. I need a lot of uses of scissors. Let's move forward. And next we have our wood saw. Very good one. Actually I used it a week ago on a PVC pipe and it worked really well. Okay, so the next tool is on the next side, a corkscrew. I don't need a corkscrew because I don't drink wine, but I think that if I will need it's a very good one. Okay, next multifunction hook. A very good one. I open a lot of knots and ties with it, and it's good actually for carrying bags on the hook. Very strong one. Next, a sewing hole or a puncher. Okay, next item is the tweezers. Actually, it's pretty good. Next, we have a toothpick. Very good one. And a keyring. So I wanted to talk about something that I don't know if all of you know, but near the corkscrew you have a place to put small things like a sewing needle or something that likes it. I don't know if you can see, but it's here. Try to focus it. So that's it. That's it for this multi-tool. Please like, share and subscribe. It's really important to me. And thanks for watching.